car, didn't you?
Be another one of them traps that'll no longer be there. We had a cold front move through, and it's got a little chilly out here. I think it's like 46, 47 degrees. We're out here trekking our trap line. We're gonna be pulling some. I'm gonna be moving some to go set. Also, yesterday I attended a trapping class put on by the state. We learned from some more experienced trappers some little tips and tricks for some of these. So we're gonna put them into play and see how we do. The first trap had the possum in it. The second trap had nothing in it. And the third trap here had a possum in it yesterday. But due to time constraints, I wasn't able to reset it. Well, so we haven't trapped the coyote since the last time you saw us trap it. The sets are still set where they were in that video, but we found out yesterday it may take a while for them to come back. They're smart animals. Don't give up. Leave your trap set where it is. Don't add extra bait if you're new to it. Don't add extra lure, because you can overdo lure and bait. Little old snake just chilling. It's a little cold for him right now, but so you saw us catch the possum. And now we're setting out raccoon traps because we pulled most of the raccoon traps from where they were so that we could trap on sign. And I found these tracks, and we're gonna set it right about where Vinny's sitting. The idea what we're gonna do, drill it into the hard ground here and then have the dog proof sticking out over this. That way the coon track is right over there.
I kind of want to just put it in the side right here. I mean, we can put it right there. He'll reach in there and grab it. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's see.
If you have a suggestion on how we should set this trap, leave it in the comments below.
Yes, I'm just going to shove that sumbooger right there, and we're going to see if it works. What I'm going to do is put a bunch of food around it. That way, even if they don't get right on it, they'll start eating on the ground, and they're going to stick around until they know everything's gone. Yeah, that's some hard ground there, cuz. Yep. That,
Yeah, if only there was a handle on that.
Yep, they're not coming out of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stick this right here on the side. Like so. Well, first I gotta set it. My couillon. Don't be such a couillon. Alright, set the trap. Ooh, they got ants right here. That's terrific. Well, that ain't no good. Now I gotta get this thing out of here because I don't want no raccoon trapping ants. Man, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Suck. We need to get that steak puller, bro. Yeah, you got that wrench though?
Yeah, I got a wrench.
Alright. Well, hold that thought.
Alright, pro tip. When you're on a trap line, make sure you carry tools with you.
Make sure you don't stick your trap where they got ants.
Alright, so while Vinny's taking that off, what our new idea is, we're going to wrap the new wolf fang around that root and use that as an anchor. Y'all hope we don't lose a trap.
And there we go. This one hooked on that root real good. Go ahead and set my trap. Stab her in the ground over here. A little further away. Now, it don't matter with raccoons. They don't care about any of this. All they're going to be looking for is that food. So, Vinny filled the can up. I'm going to actually put some of that moonshine lure, just in case they come up this way. They might say, ooh, that smells good. I'm going to get drunk. Or crunk. Or whatever you want to call it. Whatever these kids are calling it these days. Alright, so about where the center of the camera is, what looks like a log is actually a giant alligator. Alright, so as you know, we went to trapping class. A few things we picked up from them was, one, we started using peat moss to sprinkle over the top of the trap
And what that does is kind of, all right, so if you look at peat moss is kind of spongy. So even if it gets under that pan, it'll still let that trap spring. Also, in the predator kit came some red fox lore, red fox urine. If you'll, that. Guess I don't want to focus on it, but it's red fox urine. It smells like red fox urine. We sprinkled some around the edge of the hole there, like as if a fox was marking his territory. And what'll happen is the coyote is going to come by and say, somebody's in my area. Then he's going to go to pee on it and hopefully step on the trap. Right there. It's a raccoon. So I'm actually out here to check this set of traps because Vinny is not able to today. So I'm going to go ahead and get this guy dispatched and then we'll move on to our next trap. It's a possum in the trap. I don't really want a possum. I just live erased that possum out of the trap. So, because I wasn't really wanting a possum. He's just going to take his time and walk off now. So, as you saw yesterday, Vinny caught that one raccoon and possum. Today I'm at the first trap. Nothing in it. So, we're going to stick around and walk a few more traps and see what we got. Needs a Pete rod. I think I could salvage this one. Maybe not. I just realized I went to take some B-roll and my lens wasn't in focus, so I was like, lens won't focus. I don't know why. It's like stupid camera. Stupid me. Wasn't on autofocus. I'm saying all of this just to apologize if I have any blurry footage in this video or any previous videos. So the trail camera we had set by this trap caught an otter, and watch this heartbreak. Yeah, not sure. You can see him jumping as the trap snaps. I don't know if a stick maybe got hung up in it or what, but he runs off. Hopefully we get another chance at him. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let us know if you want to see us actually target otters in any of our future trapping videos.